Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a safe dock feature that removes the link preview feature completely from all Google Workspace for Education apps to prevent your students from being exposed to accidental harmful websites. Google Docs, Slides, and Drawings rolled out a convenient feature in June 2019 to preview link details. When you type and click a link in Docs, Google will automatically display the title, thumbnail, and an excerpt of the link for you. It also converts the text part of the link to the site title. However, your network firewall is unaware of these links and failed to filter them because Google carries the data as the proxy for students, so there are potential risks for students to find inappropriate content. First of all, it's recommended to blacklist these inappropriate domains or links from your network firewall or content filtering solution. At least the students are not allowed to open these links in new tabs and see the whole page. The right side is with SafeDock installed, and the left is without SafeDock installed. When SafeDock is deployed in your PC or your students' Chromebooks, without configuration, it blocks the link preview feature in Docs, Slides, and Drawings. You will see the link pop-up is gone. The actions buttons that SafeDock does not block are copying link, editing link, and unlinking features. The same as with Slides and Drawings. To configure SafeDock to not block the link preview, set Block Dock Link Preview policy to false. If you have yet to install SafeDock, please get a 30 days trial.